think you know Zulu culture? These taboos may surprise you. Did you know Zulu culture has powerful taboos that protect us spiritually? Never whistle at night. Zulu elders believe it invites snakes or spirits. Don't point at a grave. It's seen as disrespect to the ancestors. No red at funerals. That color is for rituals, not mourning. Don't eat meat during ukuzila. It's a time for purity, reflection, and spiritual cleansing. These taboos are more than just rules. They teach respect, humility, and connection to ancestors. Which one did you know? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and follow for more Zulu wisdom. Zulu culture is rich. Respect it, live it, and share it.